Hi, I'm Sonia Ward from Harmony Success Solutions. Won't be before you long. I just want to recap a little bit of what I heard the first portion of the Zimmerman bond hearing. And basically, the Martins attorney asked Zimmerman's wife if she'd been aware or if she thought that Zimmerman had a violent history or could possibly be violent or a threat to the community. Obviously, his wife said no. Of course, she didn't want her husband to be convicted or to stay behind bars. So she said no, she didn't feel at all that he had a violent history. Now, the attorney then asked her if she was aware of an assault that had taken place where Zimmerman actually assaulted a police officer and basically began to resist arrest. She said that she was not aware of that as well. Now here's the case. Apparently, the police officer identified himself and asked Zimmerman to leave the area that he was in. And Zimmerman said, "I don't care who you are, F-U-C-K-U," and he began to get into a tug of war with the officer. The wife then said that she was there and the officer did not identify himself. Now, initially, when the attorney asked her if she was aware that he assaulted a police officer, she denied it. She said no. And then when the case was brought forth of what took place, or the recap of what happened during that particular event, she said, well, I was there and the officer never identified himself. I think that begins to trouble her credibility because she wasn't forthcoming and honest. And I wouldn't expect her to. And so they've been married for 5 years, and then the attorney asked her, are you aware of an assault between him and a former girlfriend? And she said, no, I am not. Then the attorney began to say that he and the girlfriend had a fight and that he slapped her and shoved her and asked her how it felt, and that she had filed an injunction against Zimmerman. And the wife said, that's not the way that it went. She struck him and she attacked him and he was defending himself and she drew blood. Again, she initially said that she was not aware of the event. And then she gives detail according to the way her husband told the story to her. Well, basically, we haven't reached a decision, but based on my observation, her credibility sucks. It's already down the drain. She's no different from her husband. She's not honest and forthcoming. She is evasive and she's not going to tell the truth. We'll see what happens when the final decision is made, and I'll be back to talk to you about that. Once again, I'm Sonia Ward from Harmony Success Solutions, bringing you news you can use. At the end of the day, we've got to trust God, that He will bring justice and He will vindicate all. God bless you. God bless Trayvon's family. God bless everybody. Take care.